Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest machines that can take you anywhere you want to go. Well, I have some exciting news for you. Ducati has just unveiled the 2023 Multistrada V4 Rally, and it looks like a beast. The Multistrada V4 Rally is the most off-road oriented model in the Multistrada family, and it comes with some impressive features that make it ready for any terrain. For starters, it has a larger 30-liter fuel tank that gives it more range than any other Multistrada. That means you can explore further and longer without worrying about running out of gas. It also has spoke tubeless wheels in 19 to 17-inch sizes, which are more durable and suitable for rough surfaces than cast wheels. The tires are Pirelli Scorpion Trail II, which offer a good balance between on-road and off-road performance. The suspension is semi-active Ducati Skyhook Suspension EVO, which has been increased to 200 mm of travel front and rear. That means you can soak up any bumps and jumps with ease. The V4 Rally also comes with some clever electronic features that enhance comfort and safety. For example, it has a minimum preload function that lowers the bike when stopping and riding at low speed by minimizing the preload of the shock absorber. It also has an easy lift function that opens the suspension hydraulics at key on and reduces the effort required to lift the motorcycle from the sidestand. Another cool feature is the rear cylinder bank deactivation strategy, which switches off the rear cylinders at idle when stopped or in motion to optimize fuel consumption and emissions. This also reduces heat and noise from the engine, which is nice when you're riding in hot or crowded areas. The V4 Rally is powered by the same V4 Granturismo engine that powers all Multistrada models, which delivers 170 horsepower and 92 lb-ft of torque. It also has a 60,000 km service interval, which is unheard of for a high-performance engine like this. The engine is paired with a quickshifter that allows clutchless upshifts and downshifts. The V4 Rally also has a radar system that provides adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection. It also has 4 ride modes: lean-sensitive ABS and traction control, wheelie control, cornering lights, and a 6.5-inch TFT display with Ducati Connect and full map navigation system. The design of the V4 Rally is inspired by Dakar rally bikes, with a brushed aluminum and matte black color scheme or a Ducati red option. It has a taller and wider windscreen than the V4S, a longer tail section with a recessed luggage rack, rubber-mounted passenger foot pegs, and a center stand. The V4 Rally starts at 23,590 pounds and will arrive in dealerships from February 2023. I don't know about you, but I'm already saving up for one. This bike looks like it can handle anything I throw at it, and I can't wait to test it out on some epic adventures. Well, that's a wrap for our review. What do you think of the new Multistrada V4 Rally? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.